Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sylvia, and guess we're back again. So guys, Regina is celebrating her 5th wedding anniversary with the love of her life, Prince Nwoko. You guys could remember back in the years during, it's 5 years ago, when the rumor was everywhere that this girl is about to marry someone that is old enough to be her grandfather and blah blah blah. People were insulting her, bashing her, like, guys. But at the end of the day, the same mouth, some of them are now congratulating. I was like, Nigerians, we too sabi. Like, we don't change mouth now. So moving on to the celebration, she has 2 kids already, 2 boys to be precise. Yeah, guys. So one thing I noticed is that in as much as this man has numerous wives, he has a way of caring for all of them. I don't know how he does it, but I know money is the number one thing that is doing this thing. So let's see what people have to say. This person said, I have 3 friends that married young guys 2-3 years ago. They are divorced this year. Life have no manual. One person that please 5 years already. Let it be known that polygamy is sweet when it's based on wealth and affluence. Yeah, people have a lot of understanding and maybe mindset towards this polygamous life. This person said, Regina Daniels, leave people husband snatcher. The best decision of her life, but then Nigerians people cursed her for marrying an old man. I know people that married younger people are now divorced. Stop listening to people. Like, people kept on and on. You can see that on my screen. But there are people that I saw their comment, I got confused. Like somebody that said, like the person said, if they like, they should climb the moon and snap. Say no to polygamy. Like, from rumors, please, to 5 years anniversary. Congratulations, Regina. This was like Nigerians wish like them NEPA. Today judge you, tomorrow congratulate you, as in like, well, people have their own kind of this thing. Somebody like her, she's okay with polygamous family. Some people don't like it because maybe the experience they had and all of that, but you can see what the people are saying through my screen, and that's that about Regina. I like the fact that people have their own opinion, but I like the fact that she's not saying anything much. Now she knows what thing she did for the marriage, so make her not talk what I don't know. Do you get? But that's the gist I brought for you guys. So in her message, she said, happy 5th anniversary, my love. It has been a remarkable 5 years of marital bliss with so much to show for it. We give all glory to God and pray for many more years to come. Celebrate in love, peace, care, and respect. Our home is indeed blessed. So obviously she's enjoying it, so make we not talk too much, guys. Let's talk about Davido, guys. Davido celebrated his cousin with his boo Chioma on his graduation day. Guy was all out. Yes, one thing about this guy, he doesn't play with family, and I respect that a lot about him. He's always there for his family, no matter who. So he was there to celebrate his cousin, and then I also saw that he gifted his cousin a Rolex watch worth thousands of dollars. Let me not just call price, thousands of dollars, guys. So we're talking about millions in Nigerian currency. So everybody knows who Davido is when he wants to go all out for his own person. So this was him trying to celebrate with his cousin in his graduation day. I'm sure that his cousin was so proud of himself and all of that. You can see the watch in the video that he gifted his cousin, guys. So that's that, and his wife was also there. And mind you, he also bought a Cadillac SUV 2024 model. Guys, where did they see this money? See wetin people say. Davido self, they always 4% hand, waiting in the open and blah blah blah. I don't know, people are always entitled to their opinion, but if you ask me, guys, I think everybody has a bad side. Yeah, Davido was in everybody's mouth recently, but now I'm also happy that he also remembers his family in everything he does, and the fact that he also gifted his cousin too. I'm sure they are all proud of him. Then the Cadillac thing, guys, please, when they see this money, Master, I just carry and bring phone and make una follow me see you. So if you watched this point, thank you guys so much. And if you're new here, please kindly click on the subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. And see you guys in my next video. Bye.